Allow me to take you by your dirty little hand and guide you through what's happening here. The blades are relieving the stress at a comfortable 650 degrees in my atmospheric kiln. I use my special heat treatment tanks, which have a little pin that goes through a hole in the tank to secure the blade safely in the fluidized sandbed. Then I set my timer to 8 minutes. Since I preheat the blades to 650 degrees with the stress relief heat treatment, and the fluidized sandbed is conducting the heat very well, my blade heats up very quickly, which makes oven time and holding time be almost the same. The time is up, the quenching tank lid is taken off. OCD kicking in, so I have to check the watch again. Undo the safety of my tongs. Taking the blade out of the lava, which is not lava, but it sounds cooler. And quenching. Please don't mind the screaming, that's the blade not liking to be quenched down so rapidly to about 200 degrees Celsius. But we have to do that to it to get a martensitic steel structure, and I promise you it won't be harmed by it. Now that the martensite formation starts, we put the knife into the clamp, quench our tongues. Back massage. See, this is a whiny one, it's doing better already. Now putting some additional clamps on to stabilize the spine as well. The bevels are ground and the distal taper is forged, so that's why I have to clamp my blades in 2 steps, compared to a stock removal blade that I could just put between 2 flat bars of aluminium. I thought about building something more professional, but this works so well, so I never bothered. Putting the lid back on onto the quench tank, aka fryer. Checking the tank for straightness and slightly adapting it. Additionally, cooling down the tank with compressed air so the heat doesn't draw into the blade as much. Blade complaining again, what did you expect? Squirting some water onto it to bring it down the last few degrees to room temperature. Getting my gloves, as if you wouldn't be able to see that. Getting the clamps off and leaving you with some dead air now. Opening the vise. Cleaning the oil off of the blade. You guessed it, that's not the wiping sound, just testing you. Acting important, checking for straightness. Turning around for good measure. And getting it into the dry ice to convert any eventual retained austenite to martensite. Last but not least, I'm getting a blade that's been sitting in there for a while out, putting it back into the stand. Bye.